All right, so for this one, we have a graph. Problem number 17, we have a graph here. It's a function. It passes the vertical line test. So it says complete the graph. Oh, I'm sorry. The complete graph of the function f is shown in the xy plane above. For what value of x is the value of f of x at a minimum? Well, they're talking about when is the lowest point of the graph. Well, this is the lowest point. Now the minimum, one way that you can find a minimum is when it changes direction, when it goes from decreasing to increasing. So if this is decreasing, 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 then it goes to increasing. That's one way to do it. Or you could just look for the lowest point. Well, that looks like the point -3, comma, what is that going down? -2. So the point occurs at -3, comma, -2, where x equals -3 and y equals -2. But really, truthfully, y is the same as f of x. So we would, in a high school math class, say f of x equals -2. So the question says, at what value of x is the value of f of x at a minimum? So which number is it? Is it -3 or -2? -3, why would you say that? Yeah, it says what value of x. That's that's what they're asking you, and then this is the condition, right? So it's -3. Okay. And let me just double check my answer because I thought. Oh, that's what threw me off. I was looking at the answer for question. Yep, -3. X equals -3. That's legit.